Good morning. This is Jimmy Tager, meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Raleigh, with your routine Thursday weekly briefing covering August 26th to September 1st. The heat is continuing across our area, and today it is going to be the highest as far as heat index values go. So although our high temperatures are only going to be in the low to mid 90s, our heat index values are still going to be mostly in those upper 90s to low 100s. So still very hot, very humid out there today. If you're going to be doing any work outside, please be sure to drink lots of water and try to avoid being outside during the hottest part of the day. Now, we are going to have temperatures increasing over the next couple days as we have high pressure building aloft and at the surface. However, the humidity, the dew point temperatures are actually going to be lowering a bit. So there's some good news there. Although those temperatures are increasing, it's not going to feel as hot as it would if we had those higher dew points. So by Monday, we're expecting highs around 10 degrees above seasonal normals. So yeah, those temperatures there on the map look a little scary in the upper 90s, but it's going to feel close to around the upper 90s rather than in the low 100s. The same slide we used last week, I wanted to have there again. It's really important that even though we're getting towards the end of summer, it's still important to remember all the heat safety that we need to practice wherever you are, whether you're even indoors, outdoors, in your vehicle. It's important to check up on your loved ones and friends and make sure you limit that strenuous activity outdoors. Try to stay in the shade and never leave kids or pets unattended in your car. Brand new at 11 o'clock, we have Tropical Depression 9 that just formed. As you can see here on the right-hand side, it's expected to move into the Gulf. And looking at early to mid next week as being up close to the Arkansas, Tennessee region. Now, remember this cone of error, we could have the center of the storm anywhere within this cone. So a lot can change over the next couple days. But for now, we're expecting it to move into the Gulf and make landfall somewhere around the Gulf states. As far as anything else going on, this is your 5-day graphical tropical weather outlook. And you can see we have a couple areas out there that we're keeping an eye on. And we will continue to always monitor the tropics and let you know if anything changes for our area. For the next couple days into this weekend, precipitation chances are really going to be going down. We have that high pressure building in that's going to help increase those temperatures, but also decrease our chances for showers and thunderstorms. So you may have to get out there and water your lawn, but at least you won't have to really worry about getting stuck in a thunderstorm. As we get towards the middle of next week, we've got a better chance of those high temperatures lowering a bit and have better chances for showers and thunderstorms entering back into our area. It's really going to all depend upon where that tropical depression could move, and we could get some moisture from that system. Again, pretty dry through the weekend. As you can see here today, no precipitation over central North Carolina, and really nothing through the weekend. Then once we get into the middle of next week, our chances increase. And with no chances of rain, we have no chances of excessive rainfall. So the good news there. And really no chances, of those thunderstorms. So not expecting any severe thunderstorms. If any did develop over the next day or two, having an isolated shower or thunderstorm isn't out of the question. But if that did develop, we're not expecting any of those to be severe. So what's coming up? When are we going to get out of this heat? Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but it's not looking that good through the early part of September. So here's the Climate Prediction Center outlook for 8 to 14 days. And this covers September 2nd through September 8th. And you can see on the left-hand side, the temperature outlook, we're in those oranges, which is above normal, favoring for temperatures. As far as precipitation goes, we're really right on the line for above normal and right around normal for precipitation. So it looks like the start of September is still going to be warm. And just to summarize, we have high pressure building in over the next couple days. It's going to keep us warmer and dry. And then as we get into the middle of next week, our temperatures should lower a bit, and we'll have our next chance of showers and thunderstorms across the area. So something to remember, make sure you continue to practice that heat safety over the next several days as we have those temperatures increasing. Below here you see for the Raleigh area, high of 94 today, and then increasing over the next couple days, getting to 95 Sunday and 96 by Monday.